watches, the few people. I've got another one. If you hear me cough, sneeze, make noise, ignore it. I'm not feeling too well right now. Yes, it is Corona. I have a quick one that I've been waiting about 2 weeks for, and I honestly cannot wait to open this box. Just because I've been wanting this trainer. It's nothing special, but I just cannot wait to open this box. And I was thinking, let me do this video tomorrow, but I really don't want to wait, so might as well. It's from Foot Locker. I'm not happy with Foot Locker because of how long it took. And this looks a bit messed up as well, but let's see. So, unbox, share with Foot Locker EU. Enjoy your kicks. Thank you for shopping with us. They did take a bit of time to arrive, but as soon as I asked Foot Locker what was going on, they got back to me, and I do understand why they did take long, because of lockdown in France. These actually came from France. I wasn't happy previously, but as long as they're what I ordered, I'll be happy. Air Max 95, black, basically triple black. Let's open that up. Whoops. Don't know why they put that in there. Did I have any personal information on it? Nah, it's alright. Yeah, triple black Air Max 95. There's actually two different types of these. There's one with a bit more leather. These were cheaper, and I think those ones were about 30 quid more. So I bought these ones. Really nice clean shoe. Needed a triple black to wear just with black jeans, grey jeans, with tracksuits, you know, winter season. Can't really say much apart from all black. Got the suede, nubuck, whatever you want to call it. A bit of leather. I would have gone with the extra leather, but we're on a budget right now. Really nice shoe. An on-foot video to follow up with that. But that's all I really got to say today. Thanks for watching. Take care.